In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable phone number on your Squarespace website. By the end, visitors on mobile can tap a button and call you instantly, which is great for bookings, support, and sales. Start by opening the page in Squarespace, where you want the call button to appear, and enter edit mode. Move your mouse to the spot where you want the button and click Add Block. This opens the block picker, which is where all the content elements live. From the block picker, choose Button. The button block is perfect here because it's visually clear, works across templates, styles, and gives you an easy place to attach a phone link. Once it appears on your page, you'll see a placeholder button ready to configure. Hover over the button and click the pencil icon to open its settings. This is where you'll control the label, the link, and basic style options. If you don't immediately see the link field, don't worry. Everything you need is in this editor. Next, click Attach Link. This tells Squarespace that the button should do something when someone taps or clicks it. You'll see different link types you can use. Choose URL to open the link options. Squarespace groups destinations here like pages, web addresses, email, and phone. Selecting URL ensures you can switch to the exact type we need. Now click Phone. This is important because it formats the link as a phone action, using the tell protocol behind the scenes. That way, when someone taps the button on a phone, the dialer opens automatically with your number ready to go. Type your phone number in the field. Enter it exactly as you want it dialed. For the best results, include your country code so international callers can reach you easily. Avoid adding unnecessary characters. Keep it clean and consistent with your usual format. While you're here, update the button label to something clear, like Call Now or Call Our Team, so people know exactly what will happen. You can also adjust basic styling within your site's design settings later to make the button stand out. When you close the editor, your changes are applied and the button becomes active. Be sure to save your page changes. To test it, view the page on a phone and tap the button. Your device should open the dialer. On a desktop, browsers may not place calls, but you'll still set the link recognized. That's it. Your Squarespace site now has a clean, clickable phone button that makes contacting you effortless. If you found this helpful, keep building and refining your pages so visitors can reach the right action fast.